Okay, hello students. So today I'm continuing with the chapter money, and from this we will continue with the measures of the money supply that I have taught you in the last class. Here now we are with the videos only. Okay, so now we have started with the money supply, in which I have explained you about the measures of money supply. I have started that. I've explained only the first one part, that was the M1. Here now we are starting with the other measures of the money supply. That is, first one was M1, now M2, M3, and M4. Just now I'm sharing the screen. Okay. So, first one was the M1, that was for this measures of money supply. How do we count the money supply in the country, which is a stock concept. Okay. Now, the next one measure is M2. This is the next measure of the money supply, which is equal to M2 is equal to M1 plus savings deposits with post office saving bank. So this M2 measure of money supply is equal to M1 plus saving deposits. Now M1, what does it include? M1 includes the currency and coins with the public, plus demand deposits with the commercial banks, plus other deposits with the RBI. Okay, so means this was a most liquid asset, means whichever the currency is with the public, the demand deposits are with the commercial bank. Commercial bank are having the demand deposits, which we can demand it anytime. We can deposit the money and we can also withdraw the money, and also the term deposits are also there. Okay, but here the M1 includes only the this demand deposits. Okay, and M3, that is the reserves with the RBI of the foreign institutions. That is also a negligible amount. That it doesn't constitute much. So the M2 includes M1, सभी के सभी M1 के components, plus saving deposits with the post office saving bank. यानी कि जो हमारे जो post office के पास में हमारे saving accounts में जो हमारी savings रखी हुई है, that are also included in the M2 component of the money supply. M1 plus saving deposits of this of the post office's saving. So this saving deposits with the post office saving banks are not the demand deposits. Means anytime you cannot you can deposit and withdraw money, but they are not withdrawal by check. You have to go and you have to withdraw it by yourself by filling the form. So that's why this saving deposits are not included in the M1 money supply, and therefore the concept of M2 has evolved. Okay, this M2 is a much broader concept than the M1 component of the money supply. Here now we are taking the next component, that is the M3 component of the money supply. Now M3, what includes? M1 plus net time deposits with banks. Now, next one is M3. M3 includes M1, वही तुमने पहले वाले पढ़े थे, M1 plus net time deposits with the banks. Okay. Now it includes the demand deposits that are included in the M1 plus time deposits also. Time deposits are the deposits which are deposited for a fixed period of time, and checks are not issued against these deposits, and we can also not deposit the money at any time. Okay. We have to deposit amount which has to be withdrawn or which has to be taken out after a fixed period of time. Okay. This is also also a much broader concept than M1, but this M3 doesn't include M2. M2 is separate concept, and M3 includes only M1 plus net time deposits with the banks. Okay. Now the next one here is the M4 component of the money supply, which includes M3 plus total deposits with post office savings banks. Now, M4 में क्या इंक्लूडेड होता है, M3, यानी कि ये सभी का सब कुछ M1 प्लस नेट टाइम डिपॉजिट विद बैंक्स और साथ में टोटल डिपॉजिट विद पोस्ट ऑफिस सेविंग बैंक, यानी कि जितने भी डिपॉजिट्स पोस्ट ऑफिस के साथ में हमारे पड़े हुए हैं, NSC, किसान विकास पत्र और भी जितने भी तरह के डिपॉजिट्स हैं पब्लिक के, all those are included in the M4 component of the money supply, and it also a much broader concept than M1. Okay, so these are the measures of the money supply. The first one measure was M1. Okay, M1 that I have brought you. Now the starting with M2. M2 includes M1 plus saving deposit with post office saving bank. M3 includes M1 plus net time deposit. This M2 is just a separate concept. It is not included in M3. It is not included in the M4 also, because the saving deposits are not are the less liquid assets. Yeah? Now M3 includes net time deposit and M4 includes M3 plus total deposit the post office saving bank. जितने ही हमारे डिपॉजिट रखे हुए हैं सेविंग बैंक के साथ में, that are included in the M4 component. So these four are the measures of the money supply, and this you have to learn well for your board exams also. As much as the syllabus has been deleted from this chapter, so you need to concentrate upon this barter system, limitations of barter system, definition of the money supply, and also the measures of the money supply, components of the money supply. Okay, these are all are very important so that you can get good marks in this chapter, money and the banking. This money and banking total it includes 6 marks both the chapters. So this you have to prepare it.